Come on. Good afternoon. Sit down. Today we'll learn the lesson The Painted House, Friendly Chicken and Me. At first we have to discuss on the face sheet of the lesson. Pre-reading. I will ask you some questions. Please yourself stand up. What do you observe in the picture?
Animals.
Note down.
Animals, children.
Come on.
Animals, children's house,
Well, trees. Okay, sit down. Yourself. What is the location? What is the location? Is it a village or a town?
Village.
Village. Write down. Village. Village. Yourself. What are the children doing?
One boy is giving milk.
Say in total. The children are playing with the animals and birds. Okay, yourself. How many houses are there? How many houses are there? How many houses are there? 6 houses. Note down. 6 houses. Where do you want to live? Village. Why? Say aloud.
Trees, full of houses,
Natural beauty can be seen in the village. Okay. Very good answer. Yourself. How many trees are there? 5 trees are there. Okay. Write down. 5 trees are there. Yourself. What is the water source in the village? Water. Where do you find water in the village according to the picture? Water. Oh, bavi. What is the English form of bavi? Bavi. English. In English. Come on. Well. Write down. The water source in the village is well. Well. Okay. Now, frame a group. Where is the worksheets? Sit down. Write down where do you like to live and why. You also go there. Write down the answers. Where do you like to? Where do you like to live and why? Come on, quick. Write down. Open your notes. Write simply. Where do you like to live? Come on, write down. A group and that is B group. All have to participate. Give her some clues. Discuss with each other. Is it over? Group leader, please read out the what did your group write? Read aloud.
Village, because it is a beautiful nature and pieces. So animals, birds, trees, plants, etc.
We can find animals, birds, land, etc.
There are huts.
There are also huts. So you want to live in the village. Very good answer. Sit down. Your group, come on, group leader. Read out your answer.
I like a town. So because so buildings are traffic in the city.
Traffic are there in the city. Okay. It's over. Okay. So this is the first sheet of the lesson. Write down a question. What are the elements? What are the things that you can find in the village? Okay, this lesson is over.